If you've ever tried to cook in a tiny dorm, a studio apartment, or even during a road trip, you know the pain of juggling space, heat, and efficiency. Traditional burners take forever to heat, eat up counter space, and can leave you stuck waiting while your meal slowly cooks. It's frustrating when all you want is a quick, reliable way to get dinner on the table without chaos. Enter the Nafewin Portable Induction Cooktop, a single-burner 1800-watt hot plate that promises fast, precise heating in a compact package. This is designed for anyone who needs a versatile cooking solution without a full kitchen. Students, small apartment dwellers, RV travelers, or even busy home cooks who need an extra burner during hectic meals. Its claim to fame isn't just portability. It's about efficiency and control, giving you a full-size cooking experience in a fraction of the space. Right out of the box, the cooktop immediately feels modern and well thought out. The sleek black glass surface gives it a premium vibe, and the LED touch controls make it easy to adjust settings quickly. It comes with a 10.24-inch non-stick PFOA-free fry pan, which means you don't have to worry about sourcing the right pan for induction right away. The whole unit is compact and lightweight, roughly the size of a small laptop, making it easy to store or move around. Despite its size, the materials feel durable and well-built, so it doesn't wobble or feel flimsy on your counter. Performance is where this little powerhouse really shines. Induction technology means the heat goes directly into your pan instead of the surrounding air, which makes cooking faster and more energy efficient. Boiling water, frying eggs, or searing a steak happens in minutes instead of tens of minutes, which is a massive upgrade over traditional electric coils. The included pan heats evenly, and the unit offers 8 temperature levels from 176 degrees Fahrenheit to 518 degrees Fahrenheit, along with 8 power settings from 100 W to 1800 watts. That level of control lets you go from gentle simmering to high-heat frying with precision. The cooktop also has a built-in timer that's surprisingly thoughtful. You can set it anywhere from 1 minute to 4 hours, and it automatically shuts off when the time is up. This isn't just convenient. It's a real safety feature, especially if you're multitasking or stepping away while cooking. And unlike some induction units that can feel noisy or fussy, this one is quiet, making it easier to use in shared spaces or small apartments without disturbing roommates. Cleaning is just as easy as cooking. The smooth glass surface wipes down in seconds with a damp cloth, and because induction only heats the pan and not the surface, spills don't bake onto the cooktop. That makes it feel almost maintenance-free compared to traditional burners or gas stoves. There are, of course, some limitations. Induction cooktops require magnetic cookware, so non-magnetic pans won't work. While the included pan is great for most tasks, you'll need compatible pots for boiling larger quantities. Also, it's a single burner, so if you're cooking a full multi-course meal, you might feel limited unless you supplement it with another appliance. Compared to other portable induction cooktops in this price range, the Nafewin stands out for its combination of power, precision, and included cookware. Many competitors either skimp on wattage, leaving you with slower cooking, or sell the cooktop alone, requiring you to buy an induction-compatible pan separately. Here, you get a complete package that's ready to cook out of the box. The timer function and clear LED display add convenience that's often missing in budget units, making this feel like a premium choice without breaking the bank. So who is this perfect for? Students, small space dwellers, RV travelers, or anyone who wants quick, efficient cooking without a full kitchen setup will love it. On the other hand, if you regularly cook large meals or need multiple burners simultaneously, you might want to consider a larger induction setup. Overall, the Nafewin Portable Induction Cooktop delivers on speed, efficiency, and control, all while staying compact and easy to use. It's a small appliance that feels like a serious cooking tool and can genuinely make daily meal prep faster and more enjoyable. If you're tired of slow burners and counter chaos, this is worth checking out. You can find it through the link in the description, and if this review helped you decide, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.